Hi, and welcome to Way Back Wednesday. This week we're doing the year of 2011, which was a crazy year. We actually had a snowstorm on October 29th, a couple days before Halloween. There was actually quite a bit of snow. With the leaves on the trees, it caused a lot of branches and trees to come down and a lot of power outages. We didn't actually lose power, but a lot of people in the area did. So it was kind of a crazy Halloween. The figures got buried. We had to do major repairs. So it was really crazy. So this is what we have for that year. Again, if you're new to us, please like, subscribe, comment, keep us growing. We really want to keep doing this. Okay, here we go. 2011. Okay, here we go. 2011. This is a new figure that we had, a ghost. I really like her. I like that kind of old style and the outfit that she has. We keep working on her and improving her. Here's kind of a wider shot. You can see the hearse in the background. I think we cleaned it up a little bit this year. We repainted it a bit and spruced it up. Here's another new female ghost. I don't know what's kind of going on there. Her eyes are kind of hidden there. We fix her up. I think she now we have her in a hat. There's another picture of the hearse. Yeah, you can see we repainted it a bit. We got the coffin in the back with the flowers on it. I like the flowers on it like that. This is another new figure I think we had for this year. We had quite a few new ones. It's kind of a simple mask that we had. We threw on there. I think we kind of swap out a new mask now, but that was kind of one we just threw together. Here's the hearse driver. You can see he's got a new outfit this year. He finally got rid of the crappy looking blue sweatpants and stuff he had, so he's got a whole outfit. So he looks a bit better. Here's a shot of the lawn. Definitely the calm before the storm. Looks like a nice day. Green grass still. Here's this is actually a Jacob Marley from a Christmas Carol outfit that we used. We still have the figure, but of course the mask has since gotten rotted. Here's another mask that I like that has also gotten rotted. We've replaced with a new one, but the figure's still around. Here's the Ghost Pirate. He was here last year as well. Um, he's still around also. Okay, here we go, and this is October 29th. Now here it is. The snow is falling. You can see it's pretty deep already. You can see the figures are starting to lean and fall over, and through the weight of the snow. Here's more. You can see how deep it is. Again, you can see the figures are getting buried pretty well. Like I said, the dowels in their necks snapped from the weight, so basically they were all headless by the time we were done with this, and we went out for the repairs. You can see it's just piling up again. Here's the hearse. You can see the driver. He's starting to lean, and the ghosts in front they're starting to topple over as well. And this is now Halloween night. You can see the snow has melted a bit. Still quite a bit around though. We did the best we could. We're repairing as much as we could and quickly and trying to get it back up and running as best we could. Here's the skeleton pirate that's been around. You can see the snow here is a little less. Okay.